What are we doing, Kevin?
Man, we're on an awesome adventure to pick up
A piece.
a piece of a Mustang.
He doesn't even know what it is. This is how desperate Kevin is to do something. He doesn't even care. He's like, yeah, okay, cool.
Sounds like
a
body with
It's not. That's being generous.
no fenders.
It's not even.
nothing.
I don't even know what it is.
Just a shell.
It's not even like a shell. It's like a turtle. It's like a half shell.
Uh-oh.
Like a hero and a half shell. I don't know. This pirate's seen it. It's from Amir. We don't know what the heck it is. You may be asking, why are you even getting it? I'm asking myself that same question. There's a few things on it Michael wants or something, and for me it's the trunk pan. That's like the thing.
For patches?
For patches or for whatever. I mean, he has one for patches for me. I don't know.
Hey, couldn't David have a dog in this fight too? Doesn't it have? Is it got a roof?
No.
No. Hey.
It doesn't have a roof.
All
no,
right.
I don't even know. I haven't even seen a picture of it. I don't even know what we're getting.
This
All I
sounds
know
worse
is
by the minute.
I know. All I know is that I left Teresa in bed this morning for this. So by God, there better be something. You know what I mean? That's that. You guys don't understand the sacrifice that I made for this trip. It's not going to be worth it. There's nothing here at Amir's that's going to make that worth it. Even if it's free. So whatever. But I'm here. So we're here. Kevin's here. I don't know what I'm complaining about. We're using Kevin's truck and trailer, and Pirate's driving from his house to meet us. I'm not doing anything except drinking Mountain Dew.
Yeah, and I don't even need anything off this car.
Yeah, Kevin doesn't even need anything off this car. So we're drinking. We'll get some of that. I would do strike it, but we're in Kevin's truck and we don't want to blow it up. I don't want Kevin to get a secondary electrocution. Static charge. Get a static charge. So.
Right.
Okay, we'll be there in just a few minutes. Good times. Maybe Amir will let one of his dogs out for us to play with.
Oh my God! Now I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, I sent him a message. That is what we're getting. That piece of blue.
And Rodney,
That's a peach if I ever saw
you're
one.
welcome.
Yeah.
No, wait a minute. The smaller blue, not the big blue.
Yeah, no, the
front
fox.
right here.
We're not getting the SN,
The
huh?
one in the front right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, the one in the front. I thought
Does the hood come
it's got. I thought it didn't have lenses on the taillights.
They're cracked and stuff.
Oh.
All I wanted was the house.
Oh, okay. I don't care. Is that a piece of a Mustang hood?
Yeah.
Or is it a whole
It
hood?
looks
It's
like
a
a
whole
whole
hood.
hood.
Oh hell, we got a hood too. Oh, did we get that? Can we have that?
I'm looking at it. I'm pretty sure you can.
It's on the. This is the free.
This is the thrift rack.
This is the thrift rack. Have you seen that Geico commercial where the raccoons are selling stuff out of the back of the garbage truck? This is it right here. The Ches dumpster or whatever it's called.
Is anybody sure he's actually up?
Or Ches trash. I sent him a message. He told me 8 o'clock. So
What
I'm
time
gonna-
is it?
There's half a
8:30.
Oh yeah, he's like, fuck these. I mean,
there's
whoops.
half a chili.
Jerry,
feet. There's
Kevin,
half a chili feet.
don't make me ban you from the channel.
Whoops.
We found half a chili cheese steak in the back here, Ralph.
I'm gonna have to ban Kevin from the channel.
He's got his own.
I know.
And
He just-
David does.
And,
I'm the only one. I'm the only coattail rider.
right, you mean David's hey guys, I'm out here with I'm out here porting some stuff, and I just I just wanted to show you guys. All right, Kevin, this is our greatest undertaking yet. We're gonna restore this. We're gonna make a car out of this.
Well, Mark Woman would tell you we need a VIN number.
We need a
We
VIN
got the
number.
wrong part of the
We
car.
got the wrong part of a car. We're gonna make a wagon out of it. A little trailer. No. This is what we're gonna do.
A mother-in-law seat.
That's what I mean. That's what I was fixing to say. We're gonna put 2 race seats in it and give rides down the track. We're gonna hook it to one of the cars.
Yeah, because we'll just put the seats right there where they belong.
Yeah, and we'll just make it like a, and we'll put a little roll bar in it.
We'll hook it to the LTD since it usually never goes all the way down.
That's true.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Dynamite got me.
Uh-oh.
Hand grenade. Landmine. So yeah, this is oh well, it's missing one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Make
I
a
never expected it to be this little.
Oh, it smells awesome too. Then you stepped in it.
I know.
Where is it at?
It's Kevin. Oh God, there's multiples.
Oh, okay.
Dang. Amir's got some big dogs.
Oh.
You just got the atmosphere, the ambiance.
Yeah.
Is it? Hey, guess what? We're getting a piece of shit. It smells like shit now. It's
does.
perfect.
It does.
So,
Wonder
have you
which way
girls
we
got your gloves on?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I got to do something. I can't just. I got to help.
Which way?
Oh, look at this SN, guys. Oh, hey, here's some of the floor pan. Emergency brake.
Is this whole shebang going to the dump? Can I get this fan?
Dude, there's a quarter window back here.
Let's take it.
Dude, we got the whole car, almost. I don't want to cost Amir money, so to speak, like
Hey, is this-
$3.
It's kind of crapped up.
But for anything that doesn't have a quarter window, like a coupe, I mean, not a coupe.
Can we
but-
get these quarter windows and stuff?
Is this the free bin?
The bargain bin.
The bargain bin? Look at this. Dude, we're going to put this car back together. Look.
Why did I hear that in John Belushi's voice? We're getting the band back together.
Back together.
We're putting the car back together.
We're graveyard cars, but on a much worse level.
Oh, God.
Golly.
Treasure.
Oh, my gosh.
This almost
Have you seen Toy Story 4?
Rodney.
No, I know you haven't. With Forky? Trash! Trash!
Hey, this almost got away from us, okay?
I know, almost. But look now, while I was initially sort of questioning what we're doing here, I'm starting now to think that we made the right decision. Look at this, guys. Is this a headlight bulb that still works? Hey, I found a headlight bulb. Here's a piece of a floor. God, these floor pans are pretty good.
So this all started out.
Look at this nose.
I like to go on film, on video. This treasures that we are partaking of all started because of one person's desire to take care of their buddy. They needed a floor pan. I found a floor pan. Now look.
Now look at what's turned into. Amir's like, yeah, it turned into me getting up on Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. And it's cold, and it's rainy, and it's crappy. Sweet.
Whole car is on.
I know, golly gee whiz.
We could put that back
No,
together.
I don't. We're not ready for SN. None of us are.
No.
So,
What's part of this? Is part of the roof? No.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
It is.
It's the only part that's left.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah, so, all right. I may help Kevin here with this fan deal. That raccoon commercial is starting to really take on a real meaning here.
Man, why isn't this working? My mouth is watering. I think that's just your rabies flaring up.
Hey guys, we got some trashy back ribs. Come on, what? Kevin has found an electric fan
And a spout.
and a spout.
And a spout.
Darn straight.
Look, that probably got a good radiator in it. Look, oh, look at that fender well solenoid probably works. Woo! Amir, you got 5/16 from here. We've got it all loaded up. We got a fender well solenoid. Look at this. There's raccoon, son, scrounging parts. What? All she wants is me to throw what's left of that piece of stick. That was actually pretty long until she chewed it all to pieces. Yeah. Got some, go get your ball. Go get the ball.
Say something about the double hump crossman.
Oh, is there one laying there?
Yeah. Hanging out of the car right there. It's probably doesn't go for a fox though.
Oh, hell. Dude, I didn't even see that. Good. Kevin's got one eye, spotted that right off the bat. We need to get that. I need a 15 and a 13. What are you getting, Kevin?
Prop rod.
We just,
Because somebody doesn't like my beach umbrella.
I didn't say I didn't like it. I just laughed at it. Listen, dude, you made fun of my Masonite, but once you heard what I could do with it, like, for the van. He was laughing at my, look at that piece of wood you got holding up for the drag van. I said, that's Masonite, son. I'd hit him so hard with that.
All right.
twist his damn neck slap off. What?
I guess so.
You ever been hit with a piece of masonite? No, because you're still alive.
Took that answer right out of my mouth.
We are totally messing with Amir's Saturday morning cartoon watching. He's like, I hate you people. I hate all you guys coming over here. Oh.
Yeah, that other coop was a beast.
Oh, Lord.
That coop that he was going after was a beast.
Lord. Now we're at Pirate's free scrap pile. What you got here, Pirate, that I need? Oh, look at that race car. That's race car.
Yeah.
Look at this. What else you got here? Anything I need? Look at. Oh, look at this. There's a water pump. Don't need. There's another one. What else you got? Look at those control arms, dude. Why don't you fix those?
Why don't you fix them? They're yours.
Why don't you fix them, dude?
They're yours.
They're not mine.
Yeah, they are. They are now. I gave them.
If you want them,
I gave it to you.
What's wrong with that radiator?
I gave it. Hey, would you? One eye's having trouble.
Bring it on back, Cyclops. Look at that fine piece of machinery. And whoa. Whoa.
Wait a second. Hold it.
He's like, what? I don't, you know, can I leave my hood up somewhere under a cover? I don't want to leave my nice hood out here.
I was kind of hoping you'd take that hood with you.
I'm going to have to come get it or something. Because,
It
Yeah.
might fit in there.
okay. All right, guys, we're at Pirate Shop. And this is a no filming zone. I can't. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys everything right now. We're fixing to reveal. We're fixing to reveal everything in Pirate Shop. There it is. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Resurrection. It's all fired up. X-Cam. Chugga chugga.
So when's this thing going to the track?
Tomorrow.
Just busy. Are you taking it like this? It's 12 phones. Holy cow! I like
Yeah.
a surgery.
Oh, shoot.
It's not open heart.
The resurrection. All right, Kevin, we're doing the outro for this awesome non-action packed video. Idiocy packed. What do we get? We got a bent up hood.
If you look out there now, we didn't get anything.
We got an empty trailer. We got a bent up hood, a double hump cross member, a fender roll solenoid that might work, an electric fan that might work for free,
Yep, and a hood prop rod.
and a hood prop rod. And we got a piece of a Mustang and 2 quarter glasses, but you know, whatever.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I think that's it.
Michael got a bunch of bolts and nuts.
Yeah, Michael got a bunch of bolts and nuts, and Amir got annoyed.
God, I wish these guys would quit picking it.
I know Kevin was like, yeah, I just got the vibe. He just wanted us to leave. I said, Kevin, that's the vibe most people have when we're around. They just want us to leave. So, all right. So you get to say all this stuff. Thanks for commenting.
Thanks for subscribing. And
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Yeah, look,
for watching.
watching. And until next time on the substandard leader in Fox Body Videos, lover of 4 eyes, POS Mustangs, LTDs, Lincolns, drag vans, 5.8s, converts, and Foxes in all shapes, colors, sizes, and even cinnamon roll flavored. We'll see you guys in the next vid.